The GE Profile PVD28BYNFS Refrigerator includes a built-in automatic ice maker designed to produce ice continuously once it's properly activated. When the refrigerator is first installed or after maintenance, the ice maker may remain turned off until you enable it from the control panel or internal switch. Activation ensures the unit begins drawing water, freezing it in the ice mold, and dispensing cubes into the storage bin. The process is simple and usually takes only a few minutes, though the first batch of ice may take a few hours to fully form. To try these. Step 1. Open the refrigerator or freezer compartment and locate the ice maker unit and its control switch. Step 2. Find the ice maker power button or switch on the control panel or inside the ice maker housing. Step 3. Turn the ice maker setting to on so the refrigerator begins the ice making cycle. Step 4. Ensure the water supply line is connected and the valve is open, allowing water to reach the ice maker. Step 5. Close the door and allow several hours for the first batch of ice to form and drop into the bin.